As we move through the Rooted in the Unknown journey together, we're focusing a lot on breath and reflection. Those internal anchors that help us find our footing when things feel uncertain. But there's another powerful reset tool I want to introduce, and that's movement. Now, I'm not talking about workouts or big routines. I'm talking about micro movements, simple, seated shifts, just a minute or two, that create momentum from the inside out. Sometimes the body knows what the mind is still catching up to. And when we move, even just a little bit, we remind our nervous system, I'm safe, I'm here, and I'm okay. That's why we created the companion guide, Aligned in Motion. It's a 7-day series of gentle, seated movements designed to meet you exactly where you are, whether you're at your desk, on the couch, or just feeling a little stuck in your head. Each day focuses on one simple reset, things like posture realignment, circulation boosts, gentle stretching, and spine support. You'll also notice that inside each of the daily audio lessons, we've included the corresponding movement below the script. So if you want to pair a little movement, you've got everything in one place. These aren't here to overwhelm. They're here to support you. Try one today. Revisit it tomorrow. Let your body be a part of the clarity process. And remember, you're not here to perform. You're here to realign.